Hi guys, Scott here with another review for you. Today it is a new software being launched by Luke McGuire. This is Storymate. Now it is launching today on the 16th of January 2019. So it's just launched. I wanted to run through a little bit of information with you on this. That way you can see if it's something that's for you. Right now, I am on the sales page. Okay, if you've listened to my reviews before, you know I don't go through all the points on the sales page. I like you to see it so you get an idea of what's there, but you know, I'm not gonna go through every little tidbit here. I will say that for the next 20 hours, this is on early bird sale. You know, when you find out this is for you, you want to grab it as soon as you can. Now, underneath the video, down below, there is a link where you can get access to this and get all the bonuses and things like that. Things I've put together for you. So, worth checking out through my link. But here we go. Here's how easy it is. You select a template. You customize the content of that template. You post and convert. Easy enough. Again, here you get a little information about Luke McGuire. Again, about why stories and why Storymate. I do believe that it is worth mentioning that basically that story posting is growing 15 times faster than news feed posting. So, I mean, if you spend any time on Instagram and Facebook, you know that you see these updates all the time. People add it to their story. I see that a lot more than I'm seeing anything in my news feed. So that's one reason why I would pick this up. You know, it's just really really a cool software. Let's see, what do we got here? 300 million users interact with Instagram stories out of the 5 million daily active users. That's a lot. I mean, to get that interaction with so many, I mean, this is definitely the way to go. But, you know, again, on the sales page right here, there is a video. I am not going to play it for you because it will slow this whole thing down, but check it out. It's very simple software, but it is very informative. So check it out when you get to the sales page. Again, here you go. These are some of the templates. You basically would just be able to click on it, and you can, you know, customize the template for whatever you want it to be. So again, select the template. This one has 25 high converting video designs that is specifically made for Instagram and Facebook stories. You customize your content. You know, you can add pretty much anything here. You can change the background if you want, add your text, add music, you know, whatever you want. And then you post and convert. You know, it's great. I like how easy it is. I'm not a techie kind of person, so simple is better, in my opinion. So again, you know, these are all things you can read on your own. Just go check through the link down below. You'll see all this. Again, here's what I like. It's 100% cloud-based. You do not have to download anything. So that means you can save space on your computer. The 25 templates, new templates being added. You know, it's Facebook approved, which is a big deal. And it's fully compliant. So with both Facebook and Instagram's terms of service. Again, right now, this is what you're looking at. You're looking at this is early bird pricing. The luxury edition is $47 as a one-time payment, which is really good. Check this out. It's pretty much a no-brainer to grab this. This is one time. These are monthly. So yeah, that's the way you'd want to go. And if you go further down, well, here you go, the 14-day money-back guarantee. Check that out as you go through this. And, there's bonuses. You have all these bonuses down here. You can read all about those. And you'll be good to go. Now, this is the sales page. This one is my page. So, again, you go down here. Here are templates that I can choose a template and change it how I like, which is great. Again, there's home. Takes you to this page. I can look at my projects. There is a training tab here. You can click on that and you can go get the training. Teach you everything you need to know in order to use this. It's fantastic. And one thing I will say is that with other products that I've gotten from Luke McGuire, the creator here for Storymate, is that the training is very, very good. I never had any problems understanding following his training, so I know this will be the same. There are more tools here. Now, I did have the chance. I tried out the link cloaker. It works awesome. It was great. Image editor is really good. There's a whole variety of things here. So these are things that I recommend checking these out. Is when you get access to this, just go in there. First thing I do is I always hit training, and I go through and learn it, and then start using it straight away. So we have that. There's this other document I wanted to just show you real quick. This is Storymate. Basically this is what it is. It's the newest way to generate and post viral Facebook and Instagram stories. It takes about 5 minutes. That's great. What I like here, it goes through how it works. You select a template, customize it, and post it. And the good part here is when it's ready, it's got a one-click sync to the Storymate for Facebook approved Android and iPhone apps. And so you can post this straight away to Facebook and Insta Stories. Really cool. This is what I like. Sounds easy, right? It is. I believe that after testing this out, it is very easy. And here's some of the reasons why you're going to want to look at it. It will increase your conversions instantly through Insta Stories. I mean, it's obvious. The more people that see it, the more people that will click on it and see your links, whatever it is that you're doing. The good part here also, for those of you who do not want to get in front of a camera, you don't have to. You can use this instead. So again, that's great. I mean, you can feel free to do what I'm doing, get in front of a camera, but if you don't want to, Storymate is great for that. You can create niche specific content. This goes for e-coms, the free e-com stores. The good part here is you can use this for local businesses also if you want to do that. Build your list. Again, no-brainer. Built-in call to actions, and you can do it all from the desktop of your computer. Again, I did not putting any videos in here for you. It's easy to use. Here's some advantages here. You can create pro quality stories for your own sites. You can create stories for local businesses and create a whole other revenue stream for yourself. Here's what I like. During the launch special, agency rights are included. That I think is really cool. I've seen so many of these where you have to pay for agency rights. In this case, it's included, and that's awesome. When you become what they call an early adopter, that means you're in when this is just getting started. You basically get all this that I'm talking about, and especially early adopter agency rights. Awesome. Again, 14-day money-back guarantee. You're going to like this. Get into it. You're going to enjoy it. In my testing of this, I found it very easy, simple to use, and I found it very convenient. I could get these things posted up in 5 minutes. Extremely simple. It's not a techie type of thing. This is good for people who are brand new, people who've been around a while. You can be a newbie. You can be an oldie, whatever it is. But you can get in there. You'll be able to use it straight away. And again, I check the link underneath this video. You're going to like what you see. So I will take you back up here. I will say that I'm recommending this not just to you who's watching this video, but to my private clients also. I'm going to recommend that they pick it up, because why pay someone else to make this kind of stuff for you when you can pick this up for a low cost, one-time fee, and make this stuff yourself. This is going to change the way that you do things online. So anyway, I appreciate your time checking this out. Check out the link below. You'll see you'll be able to get the bonuses, and you're going to enjoy it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.